Amid rising global defense expenditures, German defense and automotive company Rheinmetall is exploring the possibility of repurposing two of its automotive manufacturing plants in Germany for military production. This decision comes as the automotive industry faces a slowdown, prompting the company to shift focus toward the growing demand for military equipment, particularly due to the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. The facilities in Berlin and Neuss have been impacted by the downturn in the automotive sector. However, Rheinmetall intends to incorporate these plants into its weapons and ammunition division while still retaining some automotive production capacity. By doing so, the company aims to leverage the industrial strength of the broader Rheinmetall Group, a leading supplier of military equipment, to fulfill increasing orders both domestically and internationally. Earlier this month, Rheinmetall secured a €26 million contract with an Asian automotive manufacturer to supply high-voltage coolant pumps. These pumps will be integrated into 800V hydrogen fuel cell systems for small commercial vehicles, trucks, and stationary power plants. Production of these components is set to commence in 2027 at the company's Hartha facility and will continue through 2031. Expanding its footprint in the defense sector, Rheinmetall has been strengthening international collaborations. In October 2023, it established a joint venture, Rheinmetall Ukrainian Defense Industry, in partnership with a state-owned Ukrainian firm. As a result, a maintenance facility was launched in western Ukraine in June 2024 to support the continued delivery of Marder and Lynx infantry fighting vehicles to the country. In the United States, Rheinmetall is undergoing a restructuring of its automotive division under the umbrella of American Rheinmetall. This reorganization includes merging American Rheinmetall vehicles with Lock Performance to consolidate efforts in System Prime, Tier 1 components, and commercial ventures under a unified name. Additionally, Rheinmetall Electronics UK, a subsidiary of the group since 2009, remains a key player in significant modernization initiatives for the British Army, including the development of the Boxer armored vehicle and the Challenger 3 main battle tank programs. This strategic realignment represents a pivotal transformation for Rheinmetall as it adapts its production infrastructure to accommodate the escalating demand for defense equipment. The shift aligns with the evolving geopolitical landscape and the surge in military investments worldwide.